No, don't show my face.
Okay, so we are doing an experiment where we just put some water in a plate, a bowl, and we are going to see what happens when you're supposed to use a paper clip, but we don't have one, so we're using a baby pin. So the first thing we're going to do is place the baby pin or paper clip on a piece of facial tissue right in the middle.
This is toilet paper.
Toilet paper. And gently place it in the water, and we're going to see what happens once the paper is completely absorbed. And as you can see, it's floating. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see.
You can see the shadow.
Okay, yeah, you can see the shadow. So, using the tweezers with this bubble gum, we're going to see what happens if we place bubble gum near but not touching.
It's fresh.
It pushes it away. Okay, so now let's use the soap and see what happens.
It's not coming off. Okay.
Pushes it away but not as fast. Okay.
You mean faster?
Faster. Yeah, let's clean it off here. Clean that off a little bit. It's kind of soapy. Okay, so now just sticking the tweezers in the water. It chases it and becomes magnetized. Leave it alone for just
Static
a little while.
magneticity.
Just see if it chases it. Oh.
It
Okay,
touched it.
so now we're going to clean it off, and we're going to do the same thing, but with the facial tissue, and see what happens. So we're drying off our materials. Dry off my hand.
The water's contaminated. Okay.
Right in the middle.
It's a boat.
It turned it into a boat. To gently tap it, Logan, with the... Can I lift up?
And it's completely sunk in the water too.
It's touching the bottom, and it's made a boat.
And you can jab it.
And it still floats on the surface.
Dad, look, you see? You can put it all the way at the bottom and it's still.
Wow, that's cool.
And you can jab it like that.
Cool.
It's not sinking. Okay, so now let's take it out and show, because we forgot to do the beginning part,
It would have sunk.
what happens when you put the paper clip in the water to begin with.
It will just
It
sink.
sinks straight to the bottom.
Even if you put it in ever so carefully. But if you do it correctly, like I've been practicing, you can do it with your hands.
Very, very carefully. So that was our What Does Soap Do? We have been learning about what does soap do to water. We did one with pepper. You want to do that one really quick? That might be kind of fun to do really fast. Okay. Saturate it with pepper. Just kind of in the middle should be okay since we're already doing it. Okay. So that's good. Place the tweezers in the middle of the pepper and see what happens.
It has soap on it.
It has soap on it.
This is what it does when there's soap in the water. It completely moves it.
So that was a fail because it had soap in
Watch.
it. Hold on. Logan, just put more pepper in it
More pepper. Okay. We contaminated it.
so that we can clean it. I'm going to clean off.
Scrub the bathtubs though.
That's okay.
Huh?
That's okay. So if you put the tweezers in, nothing
does nothing.
Nothing happens. If you put gum in, what happens? You do it.
See, it moves
it
it.
moves it.
Then
I need to sit. I'm dizzy.
you put
Too much bending over, Henry.
Soap in.
Oh, it is?
soap in it,
Sit.
and this might drop
To
because
sit.
Hopefully it won't drop. And it really moves it away. It does not want to be anywhere near the soap.
it's antibacterial.
So
This is
we've
dial.
been learning about what soap does to water. Yesterday we made boats, and only the soap made the paper go in the water.
A remote?